I'm Daniel Clownmore. We're at Madonia Bakery. I'm a fourth generation baker and owner here. My great grandfather founded this place in 1918. We've been here over 100 years, 106 to be exact. We've got our dough here ready for the olives. We're going to make olive bread. Now this dough is just 4 ingredients: flour, water, salt, and yeast. We get a nice big handful of olives. It's like we always say, an olive in every bite. We're going to roll it up. There we go. Nice and sealed. 1 twist and 2, and there we go. So then we will put this in the oven for 30 minutes, 45 minutes. We are a finished product, fresh out of the oven, olive bread. But then as you look inside, see that? Full of olives. My great-grandfather was a Sicilian immigrant. Came here to a Italian-American community. A lot of the Italians were here as stonemasons to build Fordham University, the Botanical Gardens, the Bronx Zoo, and a lot of public works, and they wanted to eat like they ate back at home. So my great-grandfather said, might as well open a bakery and make the bread for these people. And so he started with a push cart up and down the street and eventually opened this location. We've been here ever since. My grandfather, my uncles, my parents, we've all been involved in this place. It's really a family effort. Here we go, filling our cheese cannoli with chocolate chips, always filled fresh to order. That way the shell doesn't get soggy. We are famous for our olive bread. It's really what we're most well known for, not just in New York, but across the country, across the world. Our start came from the traditional Sicilian, Southern Italian style of bread. So very crusty, very crispy, dark, crunchy, plain Italian loaf. And my favorite part of owning this business is that as a fourth generation business owner and baker here, I am providing products to fourth generation customers. So I have people that come in here that talk about coming here with their grandpa, or coming with their great grandma, or coming about coming here with their mom. That, oh, at Christmas time we always used to come as a whole family and we do our shopping trip. Oh, like every week we used to come after church, or oh, every day after school we'd stop by and get our loaf of bread for dinner. And now they're coming back with their own children. They're coming back with their own grandchildren. It's just such a special thing, like this connected lifeblood of Arthur Avenue, of Bronx, Little Italy, of New York City. So we'll hopefully be here another 106 years, and hopefully my great-great-grandchildren will be here. Maybe not running the place, but at least still enjoying the products.